Are you guys looking for a phone mount for your 4th gen Tacoma that is high quality and puts your phone right where you need it to be? In this video, we're going to be showing you 2 different styles of phone mounts from Offroam, the magnetic style and the clamp style. So let's get to it. All right, so we have everything here from Offroam that we're going to need to get this mounted into the Tacoma. We have our mounting base. We have the 2 different styles of holders. So you have your clamp style, or you also have the magnetic style. And then we have the arm to get the 2 connected together. So let's go ahead and get the mounting base opened up. We'll get that installed first and we'll go from there. So let's go ahead and pull this out, and it's gonna come with some paper instructions, also an Allen wrench to get it installed, and a small little trim prying tool. So let's take the Allen wrench, we'll loosen these screws up so we can get it released from the cardboard holder. All right, now we're gonna take the trim prying tool and we're gonna shove it in between the dash and the plastic bezel for the start button. We're gonna push this down probably a good inch or so that it is where the thickest diameter of the trim prying tool is, to give us the biggest gap we can get. So we took the Allen wrench and we loosened up these 2 screws almost all the way, just enough so that this is not gonna fall off. And now we're ready to get this installed. This is a really nice billet piece, anodized black, and it also has a nice rubber pad here, so it's not going to do any damage to the dashboard. So we're going to go ahead, put this longer section with this hook into that part where we now have a gap between the dash and the bezel for the start button. We're going to hook that in there, and this piece right here is going to go on the upper side of the start button. We'll get it locked in place and tighten down our screws. So now we'll go ahead and we'll get that hooked in the back there and get the front locked into the top of the start button. We'll just align it so it's nice and straight, and then we'll go ahead and snug down our 2 screws to lock it in. All right, so we got both of our screws snugged down pretty good. Now we can go ahead and remove the trim prying tool from the back side. And we can just make sure everything's kind of back where it was. And now we are done with step 1. All right, so with the base mounted, now you need to pick what style holder you want. Like I mentioned, we have the 2 different ones here. We have the clamp style and we also have the magnetic style. This is the non-charging one. They do have a charging magnetic base, but we don't have that for this video. But we're gonna go ahead and show you what both of these would look like installed in your Tacoma. So we're gonna need the arm to get the base mounted to the holder. So we'll go ahead and get this out first. So as you can see, it just has 2 spots for those balls to go into, and then it's going to clamp down and hold it in place. Here we have the clamp style, spring loaded, so you can open this up easily to get your phone in there. Again, nice billet piece, anodized black, has rubber on the inside for grip and to protect your phone. And then we have the mounting ball on the back. So all we have to do is put the arm in between this one and clamp it down. So we're gonna get this thing loosened up so that it can fit around this, like so. And then we'll take the other end, put it in there. Now we'll go ahead and get this snugged up, and then we can position it exactly how we want. Okay, I have it snug, so now I can easily move this around and get it where it makes sense. Maybe something like that. Go ahead and tighten that up. There we go, nice and solid. Now you can easily throw your phone in there, easily take it out. All right, so we got the clamp style installed here on the Tacoma. Really nice piece, and I like the location of where they have this clamp. You barely have to take your eyes off the road to see your phone, which is obviously good when you're driving, and it's very easy to put in and take out, and it just sounds like a nice built piece. So now we'll go ahead and remove the clamp style. We'll put on the magnetic style and show you how that looks. So let's go ahead and pull out the magnetic base. So as you can see, with nothing on my phone, no phone case, this is gonna stick no problem. If you have a phone case on your phone, it might not work. Offroam does offer phone cases with magnets built right in, so you can have a case and it will also stick to this. If you don't want to go that route, you can go to Amazon or something and you can get something that's magnetic that can stick onto your existing phone case. But with that being said, we're going to go ahead now and get this mounted up and see how it looks. Same deal, pop that in there. We'll tighten down the clamp. Just get it snug so that we can easily position it where we want. Something like that, and then we'll go ahead and tighten it down. And as you can see, phone easily sticks onto it and easily removed. All right guys, that's gonna be a wrap for the Offroam phone holders here on the 4th Gen Tacoma. Whether you're going with the magnetic style or with the clamp style, both are solid options. Really nice piece to hold your phone and put it right where you need it. If you guys are interested in any of these, it's all available on YotaXpedition.com. If you have any questions, make sure to drop a comment down below. If this video was helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe button, and we'll see you guys in the next one.